update device driver. So just right click to device manager, extract the category like this, space, network address and all. So first display, you just right click to update automatic, close. Okay, and then monitor also try to right click to update and search automatic, or use searchmatic because then extract, then this is your LAN, and also you are using Wi-Fi, so use the Wi-Fi, just right click to update it, universal 3.0 update. Okay, so you can guys one by one update all and then restart your system. Thank you. So click to start, go to setting, then click to system, troubleshooter, other troubleshooter, click to here, run. Okay, so you can troubleshoot your app store and all. So is next check Windows update. So click to start, go to setting. Okay, so guys, if in the task Windows startup is setting is not showing, so you can search to type setting. Okay, you can click this like that. Okay, so this is your Windows 11 control setting option. So you just last one Windows update and then click to check for Windows and wait few seconds. It will be show which is you require Windows update in provide from the Microsoft. So might be with the .NET. Now this is the downloading, after that install. Okay, so .NET 3.0 and 4.8.1 with Windows 11 version 22H2 for 64-bit, and this is your key. So it will come different, so no worry, you just first of all download, and then now this is installing to my system. So this is download and install, this is different. Okay, download means you download from the internet to your system, install means now it installs your system with your OS operating systems. Okay, it will complete, then restart your system. So this is a SFC scanner. So how to run, this is command, I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD, right click to run as administrator, then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, Then last,